Hello everybody, Big B from Play here. Welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Now I know it has been a long time since I posted last, but today I returned and I'm going to teach you how to use Datastore service. Now before we begin, I hope to post more often soon. Like and subscribe for more Roblox scripting tutorials. Here's some important notes before you actually use the Datastore function. First, you have to have the game published. So I'm going to go ahead, publish to Roblox, Datastore, test, delete. Create. Now you have to go to game settings, then you have to go to security, and now you have to activate enable studio access to API services. You can also activate this, I'm not sure if you need it. Click save. And also, I'm pretty sure you cannot create keys in studio. You have to go to the actual game, and then you can do everything else inside of studio. It's just set async will not work in studio. It might, but I'm unsure. Last time I checked, it didn't work. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to go into Surface Script Service, go ahead and add a script. It's going to be Datastore Service. In this, so first you're going to need to access the data store. So you're going to do local DSS is equal to game get service in quotation marks data store service. On the next line, go ahead and type local store is equal to DSS get data store. And then in quotation marks for the parameters, you're going to type game data. Alright, so now there are 4 different functions that you need to learn. Store, set async. Now there are a few parameters. There are 2 that matter. So the first one is a key. Now I'm just going to go ahead and type local key is equal to ABC. So, the key doesn't save to the player. It actually saves to the game. So, you're going to need, if you want it to save to a specific player, you're going to need to have their user ID somewhere in the parameters. And the next one is the value. So, with the key comes a value. So, whenever I try to access the key ABC, it will get the value of whatever is in here. So, 1, 2, 3. So this just sets the value and creates a new data store. The next one is store update async. Really quickly guys, update async has been giving me issues. Please use set async. Now this, you just type in a key. It's the same, you just type in a key. You can use set async to update it, but this is just, I think, more efficient for the computer. The third one is store get async. And then you type in the key. This is to get the data store. So usually you'd have local new value is equal to store get async. The last one is store remove async. So this will delete it. You just type in the key, and it will remove the data store. Now you have to run these in a server script. If you want to use a local script, you should have it fire a remote function, or remote event is easier, and have that the server script receive that. Now, so let me demonstrate this. I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to say data store test. Now I'm going to go ahead and type game.players.player added connect function enter. Alright, there we go. I'm also going to go ahead and paste in this data store stuff. So now I'm going to type play.chatted connect function message. So now I'm going to do local message table is equal to string split message space. If message table bracket 1 is equal to /set, then store set async. And then, so first you need the key, which I'm going to have play.userid save -text, and the value is going to be message table bracket 2. And I'm going to have else if message table 1 is equal to /update. Go ahead and delete update async, it hasn't been working well. Instead use set async for updating a value. Is just as easy. Else if message table bracket 1 is equal to /get, then print store, get async. Then we're going to go ahead get the key, which is player.userid.saveText. Else, if message table bracket 1 is equal to slash remove, then store remove async, and you just type the key, which is player.userid.saveText. There we go. I forgot to add the dots. It's supposed to be dot split, not colon split. Alright, so now we are ready to go ahead publish to Roblox. Alright, let's go ahead and see if this works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set ABC. Now if we do /get, hopefully if we go ahead and click F9, server, ABC. Alright, let's go ahead and try, instead of using /update async, let's just do /set wall, /get, there, okay, wall, there. Okay, so now if we just do /remove, we go ahead and do /get, okay, well it didn't display anything, and /set, and then /get, and there you go. So now you can save instances, and this does save in between games.